In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your email on Dhgate 2025 step by step. Verifying your email on Dhgate keeps your account secure and ensures you receive order updates, shipping notifications, and password recovery emails without delays. Let's walk through the process clearly and efficiently. Start by opening your browser and going to dhgate.com, then sign in to your account. Make sure you're on the official website and that you can access the email address tied to your account. If you're on desktop, hover your mouse over the My Dhgate menu at the top. From the drop-down, click Account Security. On mobile, you'll find similar options in the account or profile area, but the names remain the same. Inside Account Security, look for Email Settings and open it. Here you should see the email address associated with your account. Confirm it's the inbox you can currently access, since that's where the verification message will be sent. Next, click Verify Email or Send Verification. Both buttons do the same thing. They trigger a verification email to your inbox. It may take a minute to arrive, so give it a moment and avoid clicking repeatedly, as multiple requests can slow things down or trigger rate limits. Now open your email, search for Dhgate if you don't see it right away, and check your spam or promotions folders just in case. When the message appears, open it and click the verification link inside. For best results, open the link in the same browser where you're signed in to Dhgate. If you're using a different device or a private window, you may be asked to log in again before the verification completes. Only click links from messages you trust and never share verification links or codes with anyone. After you click the link, you'll be redirected to Dhgate. You should see confirmation that your email is verified. If you return to email settings and refresh the page, the status should display as verified. If it doesn't update immediately, wait a few seconds and refresh again. A few quick tips if something doesn't work. If the link has expired, simply go back to email settings and select Send Verification to generate a fresh email. If you still don't receive it, double check your spam folder, ensure you typed your email correctly when you created the account, and consider temporarily disabling aggressive email filters. That's it. Your Dhgate email is now verified, and you're set to receive important account and order communications. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!